Yes, my lord. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 of hearing list. Recently, these deputy commissioners in Neboto has filed a verification report and the government has filed additional affidavit in opposition. So Lordship, I need 2 weeks to file counter affidavit to the additional affidavit the government has filed.
MS Zajimomi,
Your Lordship, if I may, I don't know whether it will be necessary because it was on the instruction of this honorable court that the investigation was made. And based on the investigation, Your Lordship, it was found that the petitioner is not the landowner where the office of the executive engineer authorizer is constructed. So, my lord, even the petitioner himself has deposed before the civil administration that he is not a landowner and then he had made a false claim.
No,
So on that basis, Your Lordship, whether
Lordship,
whether this writ petition has to be withdrawn and that be challenged separately because a report is already submitted here. Whether an
Lordship,
affidavit in reply or any form of affidavit will suffice to challenge the report which is already submitted before this honorable court.
no, Lordship.
Because the writ petition has become
on the
infraction.
basis of the report, you have filed an affidavit. Additional,
state.
the state has filed additional affidavit.
They have filed additional affidavit,
And,
so,
the counsel for the petitioner wants to file rejoinder.
yes, Lordship, exactly.
I think you will all get an opportunity to hear the case on
Yes, yes, Lordship.
My lord, my lord.
that. Okay, MS Zajimomi, the learned counsel for the petitioner is allowed 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder affidavit to the affidavit to the additional affidavit filed by the state respondents, bringing the verification report on record.
Lordship.
Okay. Prayer is allowed, listed according.
Lordship.
Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 11 of the.
So let it come as per the list. Let us see.
Lordship.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 12, lordship. Lordship here, as per the last order dated 8/4/2025,
Ah,
passed by this honorable court. The counsel for the petitioners have been directed to inform the petitioner, that is the client, through registered post for the inconvenience as well as for withdrawal of the Vakalanama of the names of the petition, counsel for the petition.
you want to withdraw the vakalat.
Lordship,
So what order was passed?
lordship, we have sent it through registered post this morning.
Ah,
And
this
informing
morning only.
lordship. This is the copy,
Well, yes, if you have sent it this morning only, let us await
lordship,
the reaction of the petitioner also.
lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. Your good name?
Vic was a lordship,
V. Koza, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 2 weeks.
lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged.
Very much.
For motion, item number 1.
This lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Your lordship, in this petition, the petitioner is seeking for regularization, your lordship.
The regularization.
Yes, your lordship. He has been serving for more than 35 years, your lordship.
Yes.
He was appointed as a casual sweeper under the establishment of Assistant Public Prosecutors in Luboto.
Regularization. Okay, heard MS also. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that he or she was initially engaged on 26/7/1989 as a casual sweeper. On fixed pay in the establishment of the Assistant Public Prosecutor Zenevoto. Stop. Thereafter, by the order dated 27/9/2017, the petitioner was appointed to the post of casual chowkidar cum sweeper and granted the scale of pay with effect from 1/10/2007. It is the case of the petitioner that he has been serving the department/office for more than 35 years.
Lordship.
And therefore, the petitioner is eligible to be regularized in terms of the office memorandum dated 17/3/2015. Stop. The petitioner has submitted representations to the authorities concerned seeking regularization of his service, but the same has not yielded any positive result. Stop. Being aggrieved, the present writ petition is filed. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. MS Pichano, the learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of the state respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate within
Period of 7 days.
a period of 7 days from today. Okay.
Bless your lordship.
For admission, item numbers 2 and 3.
Bless lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of VCO, he's here to file the amended petition, so if 2 weeks.
Amended writ petition? He
Lordship.
is not a petitioner.
Your lordship, they're here to file the affidavit in opposition. But to the amended petition.
Okay.
So lordship, kindly grant 2 weeks time to file it, right?
Okay.
Your lordship, let this be the last chance. The state
Yes,
respondents have taken time for almost a year, your lordship.
2021.
Yes, your lordship. And the amended petition.
What is your case, ma'am?
Your lordship, we're praying for increments and consequential benefits.
Increments and
Yes, Your
consequential benefits. How?
Your lordship, the petitioners, they were dismissed from service and then they were reinstated. And for the time period.
Reinstated
By an order of the High Court.
by an order of this court.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What was the direction?
Your Lordship, to reinstate the petitioners.
And pay them the error salary?
Yes, Your Lordship, but they were not granted increments during the time. frame.
Okay. Ma'am, you tell Mr. V. Jamomi
Lordship,
to file the affidavit, last 3 months time will, 3 weeks time will be given.
Lordship.
Okay. When did you file your amended writ petition?
Your Lordship, December of 2023.
December 2021. Okay. MS Pichano, Learned Counsel, makes a mention on behalf of Mr. V. Jamomi,
Lordship,
the learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop. This case is of the year 2021. And therefore, in the interest of justice, one more last chance is given to the state respondents to file the affidavit. Stop. In the event no affidavit is filed on the next date fixed, necessary orders will be passed to proceed with the case. Okay.
I pledge.
For admission, item number 4.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
My Lord, after that, I may be given a week's time to file my affidavit in reply.
Okay.
Sorry, it's only the one.
Okay. What is the matter about?
This is regarding land compensation.
Land compensation. Okay. Okay. State as well as the private respondents.
All they have.
all of-
Yeah. I just wanted to file a short reply.
Mr. N. Longmore, the learned counsel for the petitioner, is allowed
Well, two.
2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 5.
I pledge, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, on behalf of A.S. Chang, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
yes.
No objection.
Mr. M.S. Pichano, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of M.S. S. Chang, the learned government advocate, and seeks for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. The stop. The other side has no objection. Listed accordingly.
I pledge.
For admission, item number 6.
Your Lordship, here I've received the counterfile by the essay respondents,
Okay,
and then I won't be filing reply.
okay.
So I thought of hearing the case today, but then the counsel for the state is attending court
What
to
is the matter?
service regulation, Lordship, as per the OM.
As per the way.
So if it may be come up tomorrow, Your Lordship, it's a simple matter.
Not tomorrow. It may be simple, but not tomorrow.
Then on Tuesday on.
I don't know, but let us see. Next week. we will,
Lordship,
uh, uh, It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be taken up for admission hearing. Listed for admission hearing after a week.
obliged.
For admission, item number 7.
Yes, ma'am. Pleadings
These are
completed.
completed, Your Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties that pleadings are completed and the matter can be listed for hearing in the usual course.
I pledge.
For admission, item number 8.
Yes,
Lordship,
Mr.
here, I have
MT.
already sent for affidavit for waiting,
Okay.
but I still yet to receive.
Okay.
So I may be currently some more time.
Okay. Okay. Mr. M. Timso, the learned additional AG submits that the draft affidavit has been sent for waiting and the same is awaited. List the case after 3 weeks. Okay.
For admission, item number 9.
Lordship, in this matter,
Yes,
we have received instruction only yesterday.
Okay.
I haven't yet gone through.
okay.
So some more time is given to
Okay.
us.
Mr. M. Jameson, the learned additional AG submits that he has received the instructions from the respondents only yesterday and would like to go to the scene to file the affidavit. 3 weeks' time is accordingly granted to the learned additional AG to file the affidavit in opposition.
For admission, item number 10.
My blessed lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of Ace Chan, kindly grant 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Okay. Okay. The learned government advocate is granted 3 more weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
I will pledge.
For admission, item number 11.
Lordship,
Yes, ma'am.
we will be filing our affidavit in opposition.
Yeah, for the respondent.
Number 4.
For what about the government? Okay. But MS Inauli. And you are for? Yes, yes, sir?
Private respondent.
No, the other one. Okay. Okay.
My name, previously. Previously, we have, my name is to be reflected, but they have not reflected in the
Okay.
causeless, that's why.
MS Inauli. The learned government advocate, as well as MS Zajimomi, the learned counsel for the respondent number 4, are both allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. Stop. The registry shall reflect the name of MS Zajimomi as the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 in the daily cause list.
Lordship is an interim. Kindly the response.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return ability.
Of love.
From the supplementary cost list, for admission, item number 14.
My blessed lordship,
Uh,
Your lordship, the petitioner is seeking for a service regulation as per the OM.
uh,
And then now the states to file the counter stating that my name has been forwarded before the government authority for service regulation as per the OM.
You should be happy.
Yes, so lordship, in that case, if the case may be disposed of by granting enough time, lordship, before to the state respondents.
Where is the affidavit stating that, making that statement?
It's in para,
Page 7.
page 7 of page 7.
Page 7 of the affidavit in opposition,
Page 7.
next row 1. My name is at serial number 6.
Okay. But I think we cannot give any time frame.
Lordship. What are the list, lordship?
We will only say within a reasonable period of time,
Yes, Your Lordship,
Lordship,
that would be-
because this is only the forwarding letter of the engineer in chief to the government.
Lordship, that will do, lordship.
Okay. No, if that is how you wanted the disposal, we will, but we are not giving any time frame. Okay,
Lordship,
okay, in the chamber. Disposal.
obliged. Thank you.